Hey, let me show you how you can export your ECG records to the PDF on the Apple Watch by using your iPhone. So first of all, you will have to open Watch application on your iPhone, and right now you will have to navigate to the My Watch on the left bottom corner. Then go to the notifications, and right now you will have to navigate for Heart application. Next, you will have to select View Recorded ECGs in the Health. There we go. Now go for this data that you want to transfer. Go for this one, for example, click over here, select Export PDF, and as you can see here you can find your record with all of this base information, your date of the birth, when it was recorded. Now you will have to click here, and you can simply print this file. You can save to your files, you can send to someone. So there's, as you can see, a lot of options that you can use. You can also use AirDrop, for example, and yeah, that's basically everything. Now if I'm gonna open my files on my iPhone, let's go over here, let's see if it was actually here. Yeah, as you can see here, I can find this in my recent files, and I can still edit, share with someone. So I hope you find it useful, and basically thanks for watching.